Okay, so we're off to the Blackwater to go what? Canoeing. Get in here, Chris. Say hey.
Hi. I'm here.
It's gonna be a 7-hour trip of canoeing.
That's like 7-hour drive. I'm like, what?
You know, about a 45-minute drive and canoeing on the block.
Hey, I never signed up for 7 hours. I didn't see that on the print sheet.
Well, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a nice day, and the water's gonna be pretty, supposedly.
Mama,
What?
do I know how much I use YouTube this month?
How much?
7 hours and 32 minutes.
Oh my goodness.
You wanna know how much
then,
I've watched
well, then
it?
we need to equal that in outdoor activity.
You wanna know how much time I've watched it for the past month?
How much?
Or past week? 24 hours.
Okay, that's why we need to go outdoors.
Water.
Christian, say hey.
Hi.
Emma, hey.
Hi.
It's a beautiful day, not a whole lot of people. Kind of floating along. How quiet it is. That's the best part about being.
Hot. I want the shade.
Best part about being out here is the quiet. Turtle sighting. I think I missed it. Very quiet out here.
Cool. Can open this.
Enjoying our snacks.
I'm not.
Healthy.
Hashtag lunch.
Oh God, no. We're really redoing it.
No, we're not redoing that
Hashtag lunch.
one. Powerade. We got our electrolytes. We got our granola.
Hashtag I'm gonna drown myself.
We've got our cheese. We've got our, what is that? A boy in his native habitat?
No, I'd be playing video
Outdoors, not playing behind his video games.
No, video games is my natural habitat. Wrong.
Mine is eating.
So we basically got almost the whole river to ourselves. There's not a whole lot of people out today. We saw a turtle. Emma was the first one. Emma saw the first turtle. Woohoo!
Ow.
So we're gonna sit here for a while, enjoy it, probably play in the water a
A
little
while?
bit,
Yeah, playing on
and move on.
Go. You have your shirt on.
I don't care.
Yeah.
Okay, the water's ridiculously cold, so this is how you do it. 1, 2, 3.
I'm trying to build like a cliff so I can like jump into the water.
I already did mine.
Yeah, hers didn't work that well.
Yeah, it did. It's still there. It's right there.
I know, but it's not as good as mine.
Yeah, I don't care, because you're just a nerd.
I'm a nerd.
Oh, yeah.
There's a part before it, but it's
To the end of our journey.
It's not a journey.
Yeah, it is a journey.
Technically not.
It's a journey.
No. I have to
That's the theme of Christian's life. I have to pee.
every day. He's been needing to go to the restroom 24/7.
Well, there's lots of water, so go ahead and pee.
Okay.